Hello friends, welcome to Conceptify. So today we will do a very important concept pH scale. ये स्केल हेल्प करता है एसिड और बेस की स्ट्रेंथ समझने में. What is the strength of acid and base? So let's start. pH, the range of pH is 0 to 14. जो pH की रेंज होती है वो 0 to 14 होती है. Now if pH is less than 7, if pH is less than 7, then substance is acidic. Substance is acidic. And if pH is equal to 7, then it is neutral. And pH is greater than 7, then it is basic. When it is basic. pH, we are saying pH. pH का full form क्या होता है? What is pH? pH is potential of hydrogen. Potential of hydrogen. सो जितना कम pH होगा उतना स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड होगा. pH जितना लेस होगा लेस एसिड, स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड, स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड. एंड pH जितना ज्यादा होगा उतना स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस होगा. नाउ if we say lemon juice, its pH is nearly 2, so it is strong acid. If we say pure water, then its pH is 7. Soap solution, pH is 9. So what will be this? This will be base. Bleach, its pH 13. So it will be a strong base. Now, importance of pH in daily life. Importance of pH in our daily life. Importance of pH in daily life. First is in our body. In our body, stomach produces HCl to digest food. हमारा स्टमक HCl प्रोड्यूस करता है फूड को डाइजेस्ट करने के लिए. बट एक्सेस ऑफ एसिड कॉजेस इंडाइजेशन. एक्सेस ऑफ एसिड कॉजेस indigestion. Stomach produces HCl which helps in digesting the food, and if this HCl become excess, then what happen? Indigestion. Then हम इसके लिए क्या लेते हैं? We take antacids. We take antacids like milk of magnesia, milk of magnesia. It is a base. And when we take milk of magnesia, it neutralizes the excess acid. Number 2, tooth decay. Sorry, tooth decay. when the pH of our mouth is less than 5.5. pH क्या होगा जब less than 5.5, tooth animal becomes weak. Tooth animal becomes weak. So that's why we brush to neutralize the acid. So that's why we brush to neutralize the acid made by bacteria after eating food, and we can say sugar. Now then next is pH of soil. pH of soil. Plants grow best in soil with correct pH. If pH is correct, अगर pH correct होगा तो plants will grow properly. Farmer test soil pH to use the right fertilizer. Fertilizer use करने के लिए farmers क्या करते हैं? They test pH of a soil so that right fertilizer can be used. What happens? Plants grow best in soil with correct pH. Soil का pH correct होना चाहिए. Soil with correct pH. And farmers test soil pH to use the right fertilizer. To use the right fertilizer. Another example is acid rain. Acid rain. एयर पॉल्यूशन से जब रेन वाटर का pH 5.6 से बिलो हो जाता है, when the pH of rainwater becomes less than 5.6, then that water becomes acid rain. Cause of air pollution, rainwater's pH become less than 5.6. So it becomes acid rain. And it is very harmful for buildings, trees, and aquatic life aquatic life. So what we learned today, that pH, it is recap, in quick recap, pH scale tells strength of acid and bases, and human body, soil, rain, our tooth, all depends upon pH. Depends on pH. If you like the video, then share, subscribe, and like. Thank you.